Okay.
Wake up.
É você olhando lá, ó. Meu Deus. Hi.
You're not very nice. Oshimomoyoki.
You're a fat cat. Can I get a fat cat?
Can you show me your booty?
Hi.
Somebody come get her. She dancing like a... You can hear me. Oh my god.
Shut up.
This one's mean as fuck.
Overeating, I know that. Look at.
Let's find out. May I have your smelly bird? Ow. Hello. Hello.
Can you hold the fuck?
Don't eat my plants. Don't eat my plants. Такое, чтобы кошка нападала на нас.
Oh my goodness.
You keep biting me like that, I will not play with you.
Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, shit. Hello. No! No!
And you're gonna be a nice big sister. Yes, you are.
Get down from the fridge right now. Stop it!
This is Howl, and we're going to test to see if we can survive a quiet place.
No, look, look.
Come on. It's not that serious.
Ow. Oh my!
The most beautiful girl in the room.
You?
Who's that?
Hi, boys.
You're not gonna react? Oh.
Margins are.
厉害啦！你再回去。
Somebody once told me the
Oh, I see it.
Wow. Crazy. You're crazy.
It's okay.
Look!
Billy Rub. You like that shit? Yeah, you do.
The trick is to not let people know how weird you are until it's too late for them to back out.
임야.
Safada. Ow.
Yes, it's a wig. 임야.
Is it time for dinner?